EdApp Review Usage Experience. Welcome to this review of EdApp. For more details and to explore the platform, check the links in the description below. EdApp is a modern, cloud-based learning management system, LMS, designed to deliver effective, engaging, and mobile-friendly corporate training. Whether you're a large enterprise or a small business, EdApp provides all the tools needed to create, manage, and track your learning programs, ensuring that your employees are continuously upskilling in a way that suits their needs. One of the standout features of EdApp is its focus on microlearning. The platform enables the creation of bite-sized, interactive lessons that keep learners engaged while preventing information overload. With short, focused modules, EdApp ensures that employees can learn in a way that fits into their busy schedules. This makes it particularly effective for organizations with remote teams or employees with limited training time. EdApp also stands out with its user-friendly design. The platform offers a drag-and-drop course builder that makes it simple to create custom courses without needing any technical expertise. You can easily upload multimedia content, including videos, quizzes, and images, to create a more dynamic learning experience. The ability to incorporate gamification features like leaderboards and badges further increases learner engagement. For organizations that need scalability, EdApp offers powerful administrative tools. You can assign courses, track employee progress, and generate detailed analytics to evaluate the effectiveness of your training programs. Additionally, the platform supports integrations with popular tools like Salesforce, Zoom, and more, enhancing its versatility. Another key advantage of EdApp is its mobile app, which allows employees to access training content anytime, anywhere. This flexibility ensures that learning can continue on the go, even for employees who are frequently on the move. In conclusion, EdApp is an intuitive and efficient LMS that provides everything you need to deliver impactful training. With its focus on microlearning, ease of use, and mobile capabilities, it's a fantastic choice for businesses looking to train their workforce effectively. Be sure to check out the links in the description below to start using EdApp today.